Wanna know how to make your game more fun in Toca Boca? So if your Toca Boca world feels a little boring, don't worry. Let's fix that just under a minute. First, stop playing normally and start creating chaos, the fun kind. Try making a brand new storyline every time you play. Make and do proper role plays. Like today, you're a chef running a crazy restaurant. Tomorrow, you're a detective solving silly mysteries. Next, miss and match locations. Put characters in places they don't belong to, like a doctor chilling in a cafe or a kid running a fashion show in hospital. Basically, you need to be a little bit creative and make sure you roleplay as much as you want. And also customize everything, decorate properly, put new stuffs, build new homes, and much more. And last tip, roleplay with emotions. Make your characters argue or even throw dramatic tantrums just like this. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in for more of these videos. See you in the next one.